In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause Shopify store operations for maintenance. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over your Shopify admin dashboard. So go to admin.shopify.com and log into your account. Now from here, what you want to do is click here on online store in the left hand side and just simply select preferences. Now you will see your preferences settings right here. So just scroll down and right here in the password protection section, make sure that this restrict access to visitors with a password is checked. You also want to add a password and add the message to your visitors. So as you can see, I have this message. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now let's just click here on settings to see our Shopify store link. Now you want to open this link in a new tab. And as you can see, I have this message right here. Sorry for the inconvenience. And we have paused our Shopify store operations for maintenance. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.